Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to make Christmas cards using polystyrene sheets to make printing plates. So you don't need a press to do this, you can make these at home. You'll need some polystyrene sheets, so you can either buy these sheets in craft shops, or if you're lucky you might find one in a frozen pizza, and you can cut it to shape with scissors, or I'm going to use a craft knife to get nice clean edges on it. You'll also need a pencil, some ink. I use Caligo Safewash because you can wash this up with just soap and water. Something to roll your ink out on, a nice smooth bit of plastic is great. A couple of rollers, one to roll your ink out with and the other to press down when you're printing your card. Some cards to print onto, and I've got some little templates that I'm going to cut round to make my printing shapes. So first of all I'm going to cut round my cardboard template. To get my desired shape, so I'm going to use this little snowflake. Just be careful of your fingers as you're cutting round, but it should cut quite easily. There we go, just missed one little bit there. So there we have our snowflake shape, and then just use your pencil to draw onto the polystyrene any patterns, a little bit of decoration. So I like to go quite lightly at first and then just press down a little bit harder to make sure you're kind of engraving into the polystyrene. And you can do any kind of patterns that you like, some little dots and lines and wiggles. Once you're happy with how your decoration's looking, roll out a little bit of ink. Make sure it's nice and smooth, and then roll over your polystyrene. Going in a couple of different directions, so you're making sure you've got right into the edges. And then get your card and your clean roller. Pop your polystyrene down and then roll over the back of it to transfer the ink onto your card. And there you go. So I hope you enjoyed that. If you've got any comments, let me know. If you'd like to see any other printmaking techniques without a press, and check out my website, it's nellsmith.co.uk, for some other images of my work. Thank you, bye!